Tim Walling here, SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. Is the Beretta M1951. I also ordered a set of these KSD grips. Now this thing says it's KSDGripUSA.com, but these things are supposed to be custom cut and made over in they're wood grips for the gun. And I'm going to take these off, try these wooden grips on it. I am really excited about putting these grips on this firearm. Really nice grips. Beautifully done. So let's drop them on here. Get the other side on. We've taken our grips off. We're going to take a little bit off the top of each side of these grips just to remove it. You can see where it was kind of pressing on it right there. So we want to work this down. So I got a piece of wood, piece of oak, stapled a piece of sandpaper to it, and we're going to keep it nice and smooth here. Want to keep it nice and level as we work this down so that we can remove a little bit of material off the top of this. Okay, so now we have our clearance. So what I have is some Minwax wood finish, and this is a semi-transparent, and this is a gun stock 231 is what I'm going to use on it. I didn't realize we were going to get this involved tonight, but we got to fix it. That looks like a really nice color match, doesn't it? Set up for a minute. Let's get a little bit on this one. So back to what we're actually doing. Looks like it's dry. So let's try to reinstall these. We got it all put back together. Fits really good. Look at there. Now our slide functions and works no problem at all. We got a nice little spacing in there. It's nice and even. Actually turned out really well. Just wanted you guys to see the Beretta M1951. Beautiful gun, runs really well. If you get an opportunity to pick up one of these, I would suggest you to do that. You'll really enjoy this firearm. Good gun to teach people on also because of the balance, the low recoil in it, and I just can't say enough good stuff about this. Please be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.